Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm happy to be sharing a product release video for the Autumn Impressions release. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Creepy Cocktails die set. Creepy Cocktails is a 13-piece die set that creates a pair of spook-tacular cocktail drinks. Perfect for Halloween crafts, but can extend to regular cocktail craft projects as well. The tall cocktail glass measures 1.3 inches by 2.7 inches, and the short cocktail glass measures 1.5 inches by 1.8 inches. And I've die cut all those pieces out for you to show how there is even a really nice intricate little die that goes all around the cups themselves, and then I've just put them together. Now I know you could make this spider look like he is hanging off of the glass as well, but I thought he looked cute as a stir stick as well. And then I do have a project to share with you using this fun die set. And there you have it. Think of all the fun projects that you could make. Yes, this would go well beyond any sort of creepy cocktails. You could use this year round. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the other projects that the rest of the design team made. Check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks, and have a great day.